Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy M55. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, then select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And then you can click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now you have to click here to allow this app to appear on top and then click back. Then you can click start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.